Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Lucy Caliboso. I'm 45 years old, single, no child. I am college undergraduate and I completed 6 months caregiving course in year 2006. I have 4 years experience in Singapore as a domestic worker and less than 2 years in Malaysia. My first employment contract duties in Singapore includes dog care and cleaning. Second employment contract duties in Singapore includes elderly care, housekeeping, and gardening. I also worked in Malaysia for around 21 months. My first employment abroad is in Singapore as well, but my employer decided to brought me in Malaysia. They took a work permit for me, valid for 1 year. And my duties includes baby care and housekeeping. Please consider my application. Give me a chance to work again abroad. I can promise that work will be my focus and priority if you're giving me a chance. Thank you and God bless.